Hey guys, I thought I'd give you an update after a year on what I've been doing with the YouTube downloader. You want to download a YouTube video directly into Premiere Pro? Well, now I just hit Control U and it automatically downloads as a video. And you want to download it as, let's say, an audio file, an MP3? Well, I just hit Control I on my keyboard and here you go. In order to run this, you'll need to be on Windows, and you'll need Auto Hotkey, which is a link provided, and you'll also need the Python library Pymere, which you can install with a simple pip install. You'll need the previous programs, YouTube DL and FFmpeg. I'd recommend you watch my previous tutorial to figure out how to install all those things. Once you have all these things properly installed, you'll want to take my scripts and edit some of the local variables to be your computer's local variables. So, for example, my auto hotkey here, you'll see that I hit Control U to download it as a video, and that this line here says run, and then it shows a file path to my download as vid.py file. And you'll see the download as MP3 version as well if you hit Control I. Once you have my Python files, you'll need to get the file path for where they are and paste it here over my computer's local variable name. Once you've done that, you can go inside my Python files, and same thing, you're going to change this file path or folder path to wherever you want your footage to live once you've downloaded it. This is the output folder path that your footage will be ingested from directly into Premiere. So once you've done that, you should be able to run the auto hotkey by clicking it, and you should be ready to go. This was Josh from Fix and Post. Please like, comment, or subscribe.